Hi, it's Rich Trania here. I'm at the Satellite 2011 show. We're on location with the TMC Newsroom. On our program today is Jack Vickers, and he's with SENCORE. He's the Senior Product Manager. Jack, welcome to the show.
Thank you, Rich. Good to be here.
So I was hoping to start out with a brief intro about your company. Can you tell us a little bit about it?
SENCORE has been around for several decades now. We started off doing some test and measurement, but eventually moved into the operational broadcast equipment space. Probably what we're best known for today is we were first to market with some of the HD receiver decoders. We've got quite an install base there and good transport stream heritage and legacy.
Now, I noticed you have a few announcements at the show. I was wondering if you could take us through what they are and what the benefits are to customers of these new products.
Sure. One of the new products that we're talking about here at the show is our DVB-S2 modulator, which we released not too long ago. We've been doing modulators for quite some time. Not many people know that, but we do have an install base already, and this is our entrant into the DVB-S2 market space. It's capable of IP or ASI inputs, as well as the multi-stream part of the DVB-S2 spec, which isn't that prevalent in the US, but it's gaining some traction outside of the US. It's also capable of the advanced modulations, where if a customer is comfortable with going to a higher order modulation, we have tested some multi-point applications where we're getting 100 megabits of data in a 36 megahertz transponder and downlinking it on a 3.1 meter dish. So for customers that are looking to reduce operational expenditure, this does potentially give them the ability to free up some transponder bandwidth.
Great. Now, was there one other piece of news as well?
Yes. We are also showing our transcoder, our TXS3453. It's a multi-channel broadcast real-time transcoder based on a very powerful video processing ASIC. It is capable of doing MPEG-2 to H.264 or H.264 to MPEG-2. Each transcoder operates independently, so you can have a 16-channel unit for a variety of applications independent of your input codec or your output codec. That too is capable of ASI and IP inputs as well as outputs.
And what's the target market for that product?
The target market is broadcasters or head-ins, DTH, IPTV, anybody who's doing a multi-channel transcode where their input codec does not match their output codec, and they need high quality, low bandwidth to the home.
So are you seeing that becoming a bigger market, just having to deal with more codecs and video transcoding?
Exactly. The use case, I've never seen a use case where the ingress matches what they're outputting to the home. So the need for transcoding, independent if they're even doing codec conversion. Sometimes H.264 is coming in on a contribution or a primary distribution feed at a very high bit rate, and they need to transcode to go to a much lower bit rate. So very seldom do the bit rate use cases match input to output.
Now, in terms of growth, what sorts of things are you seeing in the market? What are the hot spaces?
For SENCORE, we did quite well in the analog to digital transition in the U.S., especially with our receiver decoder products. We're broadening our product line to address some international markets. The analog to digital transition is happening outside of the U.S. as we speak, so we're broadening our product portfolio at the same time we're targeting international markets.
That's fantastic. So have you seen any trends in this space in the last few years?
Well, of course, compression keeps keeps pushing bit rates down, and the quality is expected to maintain. So the transition from MPEG-2 to MPEG-4 in cases where the bandwidth is compressed down even more. HD applications, especially in DTH and IPTV, they need MPEG-4. I gave a talk yesterday on one of the panels. The spirit of the standards that we're talking about today, DVB-S2 and H.264, have plenty of longevity because they're written for longevity. So we have customers taking advantage of 16 and 32 APSK, for instance, and as the ASIC processor power goes up, you will see MPEG-4 encoders and transcoders continue to advance as well.
Fantastic. Thank you so much for your time today, and it was great to meet you. Have a great show.
Thank you.